Hey guys, I'm Justin.
I'm J-Ray.
And we, instead of like playing and stuff, we're gonna be teaching you how to build slime. But it's not really slime. It's like rubber actually. So wait, show them.
Okay.
So if you push hard, so we'll show you how to make this, don't worry. If you like with a spoon,
It's like white.
and if you push hard, show them. If you push hard,
So if you push as hard as you can, like that,
it feels like rubber.
look, it's not even going through.
It's not going through.
But when you go softly, it goes.
Yeah, so it's
pretty.
it's kind of like slime, but
The only
not
bad
really.
thing about it is that it turns hard over like a day.
But if you
you
keep
can
it in-
squish it again.
Yeah, but if you keep it in like, we're showing you like keep it in here. If you make it in like a big container or something, just put a lid on top of it and maybe it would like help it. Actually, don't put the lid on top of it because
We're not really sure.
yeah, we're not really sure, but
So the
think
ingredients
just
that you're
don't
gonna
put the
need
lid
is cornstarch,
cornstarch, just any kind of cornstarch,
and you can get any kind of water.
and that's all.
And if you want, you can add some salt to make it. Justin said putting salt in it makes it like less hard, but I don't know for sure.
Yeah, I don't know for sure. I learned that from a video. I don't know. So what you want to do is take a spoon and just get in your cornstarch and maybe do like 3 scoops of
Well, you
it.
can do it however much you want.
Yeah. So how much you want? So yeah.
Okay, so
We'll
don't
do
make
it
too
3.
much.
Actually, no. That's okay.
So we're just
there.
there. So you're gonna put the cornstarch in, and then what you're gonna do is take the water, and you're just gonna pour a tiny bit in, because if you add too much,
Yeah.
then it's not.
So a
gonna be-
tiny bit at a time, just a tiny bit at a time, and then you just mix that up.
And if you need to, you can add more water.
Yeah. add more water.
Okay.
So then
this is
you're
gonna be a
pretty much
short
done.
video.
Yeah.
So
So
if you want,
if you guys want us to make like more stuff, like you guys want us to make stress balls, I know a lot of people like those, and there's
Yeah,
a lot
I'm
of
gonna add
videos
some
of
salt.
those. And yes, add some salt. And it barely came out, but that's okay. And you're pretty much done. And it is pretty much done. So do not add that much water, because
And
then it would just
warning,
turn
you
into
do not eat this. You can
Do
probably die
not.
from this.
you probably would die. Yeah.
So and just make sure you mix it so that you get all the hard chunks off from the bottom.
yeah,
Just
so
gonna stir it.
pretty much done for this video. We're gonna wrap it up, but if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video down below. And we're doing this challenge, so if you guys want to we would really like if you guys like the video and subscribe. We're doing a challenge. If you want to go check the video out, it's called Challenge, and you have to get 30 likes and 20 subscribes, and then I will subscribe to all of you guys and like.
We'll try to.
Yeah, we'll try to.
So, I'm just
So-
gonna pour this in.
This is all we're gonna do for today, and I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you guys want us to build any other creations you guys think, and if you want us to build, and we will try to do that. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Ta-da.